Jumping right into week 6, I just have to show you guys this. Look it, you can see it just came out of the oven. You can see that steam rising off of it. This is going to yield you 48 grams of protein, 6 servings, full and satisfied. We're jumping into week 6. We are on track with our weight loss goals. We are all feeling so satisfied. We do not feel like we're depriving ourselves, and we are just going to keep going at it. I want to tell you guys something. What's so funny about this process that I've been doing, I don't even give what I'm eating a thought anymore. I just add in the one habit per week, keep moving on with my day, keep moving on with my meal planning, and the weight is falling off my body. So if you are like me into your 40s and you're having to switch things up a little bit to get those consistent weight loss results that you want, you landed on the right video. We're going to get into how to make this up, but that's going to be at the end of the video because I want to introduce myself to anybody who's new here. My name is Melissa with Healthy Days. We are on week 6 of a very easy 1-year digital download that comes right to your phone. It's $5. I'm going to link it right here. And each week, 52 weeks, 1 year, we are adding in one healthy habit. Now, what this is doing is into our 40s, what we were doing in our 20s and 30s obviously isn't working anymore because we can look around and see that people are struggling more so with their weight loss, their body composition, how they're carrying their weight. So I developed this guide. It's 5 years in the making because I was really intentional about the gut healthy components, the protein that we need into our 40s, and just all the science-based information behind it. This isn't a get skinny quick thing. This is something that is going to change your body composition, change how you look at food, change how you, the food noise going on, regulate your blood sugar levels, all those things. So like I said, it's linked here, linked down in the description box down below. But for the rest of us, we're on week 6. And the featured food, when you pull up your digital download, you will see we are on ground turkey. And I just, ask you to replace any of your red meat or your steaks or anything like that you're having this week. Replace it with a ground turkey instead. One of my favorite ways to get ground turkey into my body is through an egg bake. It sustains your muscle maintenance that we're trying to hang on to because that's what boosts our metabolism into our 40s, but it's without the excess calories and fat that the red meats carry. So that's why I'm asking you to make this switch. And it's such an easy habit. This is piggybacking right on top of, we did the lean chicken breast last week. So this is just such a great way to incorporate that protein, get those lean meats in. Sometimes the hardest part of knowing what to do to lose weight is knowing how to respond to our body at the different seasons of life. So that's what I'm here for. So I hope that you are enjoying this series so much. If you are new, be sure to check out videos weeks 1 through 5, linked right here, and then subscribe to my channel. Click through, catch up with us. All of us that are on week 6, please leave a comment. Let me know. How are you feeling? I feel better than I've ever felt in my life. I cannot tell you for how many months I was struggling with trying to figure out as I'm going through perimenopause into menopause, what is going on with this bloat feeling? What is going on with always feeling like I've had Thanksgiving dinner when I've had a handful of nuts? And all it is responding to where your body is at. Your body is going through different hormonal changes. So you have to listen to what those changes are. And my body was full of inflammation. My liver was messed up. So I had to detoxify that. And I have videos on, how you go about that. But more than anything, it was just realizing that it's not going to be a quick fix. You have to let go of feeling like you're going to lose 30 pounds in 3 weeks. It's not realistic and it's not even healthy. So let's just get that out of our minds. But follow along with my simple system right here. This is going to teach you the micro habits that you can consistently add in for the next year. It's foolproof. It works 100% guaranteed. The science behind it works with our human biology. And I think that's what we get confused about. We think, oh, we have to reduce our calories so much, or I can never eat sugar again, or I have to do this, that, or the other thing. That is not the case. We have to be consistent. We have to get intentional. And it is about quieting the food noise, stabilizing the blood sugar levels, and really developing a really healthy relationship with food. But all of our bodies are different. You're going to learn as you go and watch my videos. You're going to learn how your body responds to the different foods each week. I notice when I enjoy this delicious ground turkey egg bake, the inflammation and the bloat in my body disappears. I start having this because this is 6 servings. Remember, the 6 servings is going to yield you the 48 grams of protein. So it is going to sustain you for hours and hours. And it is under 400 calories. So that's fabulous if you are worried about reducing your calories, because of course we have to be conscious of that. I just don't want it to be your focus. I want you to focus on what you're adding in, not what you are depriving yourself, because that's what goes along with the psychology of weight loss. And if you want to get off that hamster wheel and you want to stop going up and down with your weight loss, you have to develop a healthy mental psychology with the foods that you're putting into your body. And that's what I'm teaching you here. So clearly I'm very passionate about this. I so hope you will make this one. If you want to know just how to make ground turkey in the air fryer, I also have a video for that, so be sure to check that out. If you are just checking me out for the first time and you just want to start to understand the science-based knowledge behind weight loss, so even if you aren't in perimenopause or menopause, the science of weight loss works for everybody. We may not be doing it in our teens and 20s and 30s because our bodies don't show us that we have to, but it's still the healthier way to go. So if you are in your 20s and 30s, I have a library full of videos for you to check out that are just going to really help you to focus on protein, focus on fiber, adding in those leafy greens, and making it so that food is enjoyable and you are not depriving yourself and you are getting the sustainable amount of calories that you need. And when it comes out of the oven, this is what it looks like, guys. And it does not get easier than that. Let it cool for 10 minutes. Go ahead, slice it up, put it in your Tupperware so you have breakfast for the next 6 days. You know that you are getting 48 grams of protein. You're getting approximately 380 calories, only 5 grams of carbs. And I think as we're going on a sustainable weight loss journey, we can't ask for much more than that. So this week, the challenge is go ahead and click the link below, download my $5 digital download that's going to upload right to your phone. The minute you click on it, you're going to be able to access it, follow along with us week after week, get intentional to add in these micro habits, and just come along on this journey. Leave comments. Let's all motivate and inspire each other. Adding in the other 52 micro habits, one a week for 1 year, it does not get easier than that. And it makes it sustainable. And that is the key. That is the answer. Intentional ingredients. So again, I'm Melissa with Healthy Days. Thank you so much for checking out my videos. Please hit that like button, share it with friends and family, and I will see you next week. We're moving on to week number 7. See you next time. All right, so if you're wanting your ground turkey egg bake to turn out just like mine, start off with your 8 eggs and your 1 cup of egg whites, and just whisk those together. And then throw in your 1 cup of cottage cheese, mix that in. And then once you get that all mixed together, we're going to go ahead and add in our other components from our previous weeks. This is how we are creating the micro habit to tie it all together. So sprinkle in some of your turmeric, sprinkle in some of your ground ginger. We're going to add in our garlic powder. Remember, the black pepper is what activates the turmeric. And of course, the pink Himalayan sea salt. So mix that up. Ground turkey for our intentional habit this week. The easiest way to make up the ground turkey is either in the air fryer, which I have a video for that, or just brown it up in the pan. When it's halfway through, add in your diced bell pepper, and that is done. 9x13 pan. Okay, give that a spray. I like to add in the spring mix right in to the ground turkey mixture that we made up. And then we're just going to pour our egg mixture over it. Look how beautiful that is. And then at this point, your oven should be preheated to 375. Drizzle our egg mixture over. And get it all nice and submerged. Depending upon your oven, 30 to 40 minutes. And then we are going to see how she turned out. Look at how beautiful. That's all going to bake up together and just be absolutely gorgeous.